Wala pa rin. Maraming salamat, Director Delpin. Palakpakan natin sila. Ang daming ginawang milagro ni Milagros. Thank you very much. Manila is a very old city. More than 500 years of history. The least thing that we can do is to make it maliwalas. No? Maliwalas sa paningin, maliwalas sa kapaligiran, and the more open green space that we can create, that is our gift to the next generation. No? Totoo po yung sinabi ni Direktora. What we are doing and planting today is something that our children and great-great-grandchildren, no, na mapakinabangan nila ang sariwang hangin in a highly urbanized setting like the city of Manila. To all of you here, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, ako, si Jess daw ay wala pa ring jowa. Linggo-linggo na lang kukulitin natin si Jess. Let's pressure him. It's a good day. Challenging weeks that came to us. It's been 3 weeks now, if I'm not mistaken. And it's gonna be more weeks to come in a very challenging situation economically. But rest assured that your city government and the national government works hand in hand in our own little way to at least cushion the socio-economic impact of this oil crisis and uncertainty in Middle East. At naggagayak na po kami. Si Ma'am Telma, may pinadala po sa atin na si President Bongbong Marcos na 286 million pesos. And that 286 million pesos will be dedicated to help our rice farmer, local rice farmer in the country, wherein we as local government unit was directed by Executive Secretary Ralph Recto to utilize it to acquire rice subsidy for our people. And that will serve, with our own assessment, about 74,000 families in the city of Manila. And it will serve 6 months, in the whole year, every other month. Ayan po'y hindi lamang sa Maynila, yan po'y nangyayari sa Metro Manila at mangyayari sa Metro Manila. And hopefully, with all the papers that are needed, we can launch it by April. Now, I would like to give credit where it's due. I'm happy for our tricycle drivers. Thanks to Jay De La Puente, palakpakan natin yung ating mga taga MDSW and his staff. At Director Dennis Biahe, niya ba si Desio? At ang mga taga MTPB. Sila po ang dalawang ahensya ng gobyerno na kahalinhinan, kasabayan, hand in hand, working hand in hand to deliver the 5,000 pesos financial assistance for our transport group. And it was successfully finished last week as per target. And this week, in this area, where we conduct our regular flag ceremony, dito po, simula bukas at sa mga darating na araw, ay yung new sets of transport group naman ang bibigyan. Ulitin ko po, no? Hindi po natin pera ito. Pera ito ng national government. Bibigyan ng 5,000 pesos ang mga jeepney drivers, TNBS, and MC. And the list was sent to us by LTFRB, and our list in Manila, all were sent to the SWD. And it's going to be launched tomorrow and in the coming days. Ito po'y patuloy na pamamaraan ng presidente ng bansa through President Bongbong Marcos and Executive Secretary Ralph Recto and Secretary Rex Gatchalian. And now, also involved na po ang DOTR, o Secretary Lopez. So itong mga sekretaryo ng bansa ay nakikipagtulungan sa lokal na pamahalaan. At pumanatag kayo, ay pipilitin natin maging epesyente araw-araw nang makamit ito agad ng mamamayan ng tagalungsod ng Maynila. At ito'y mapakinabangan ng mga pamilyang Manileño at higit sa lahat ng mga negosyante. It is very critical and crucial that we protect and help the business community because of them, yung ating mga mamamayan na pinaglilingkuran din ay nananatiling may trabaho, may hanap buhay. If jobs are protected in crisis and in a good day, if jobs can be created during crisis, because crisis or adversity, as like what the saying, sinasabi sa isang kasabihan, use your adversity in your advantage. It may create jobs and opportunity for our people. It's very important for this industry or the businesses to survive, because it will help protect jobs. Mahirap na ang buhay, halos hindi na sapat yung kinikita ng tao para ipambili, ipantustos sa kanyang pang-araw-araw na gastusin ang kinakaharap ng mga mamamayan sa lungsod ng Maynila. Kaya the least thing that we can do is not to lose it, to protect it by the government itself, the local government and the national government infusing cash to the community and creating what you call the velocity of money para umikot ang pera sa atin. Kaya naman kayo mga kapwa ko lingkod bayan, kung may extra pa kayong cash, may bago kayong kapihan, ayan na po yung aviary. Masarap yung almusal. Niyayaya ko kayo. Yaya lang naman, wala naman tos kasi. Natatanda na kayo. That's why we're very excited because matagal yan natenga ulit. At now, bukas na. May bagong negosyo, may bagong trabaho. But kayo ay nananawagan na ko sa inyo, sa PDO, patabayin nyo yung mga halaman, ha? Budburan nyo ng budburan ng mga organikong pataba. Alagaan ninyo. Mga golden, green thumb ba yan? Yes. Paano green thumb? Hindi naman green yan eh. Hindi. Ito, green. Hindi, baril yan eh. Ito, green thumb. Okay. Mga green thumb natin. As you can see, I don't know, kung mayroon taga Moriones tundo sa inyo, sa Cadelpan. Dati yun, tambakan ng basura yung island namin ngayon. Ngayon, paggising ng mga taga Moriones, parang kala nila, wow, Ayala. Kahit ganun man lang, mapangiti natin ang ating mamamayan. And this is what you call low-hanging fruit in governance. But we will continue to develop our city in the mid and long term. Hindi naman tayo titigil. So, mag-iingat kayo. Magtipid-tipid kayo, ha? Piyahit-piyahit muna ang tosgas, ha? Abiso ko lang naman yon bilang inyong ama. Medyo mahaba-habang labahan pa to. Magkukula pa tayo. Opo, I hope you know what I'm saying or telling you, but it's gonna be a turbulent weeks in our lives, economically. And I hope and wish for this week, one, for all of you to be safe and healthy, because I need you to be of service to our people. Two, I wish that there will be peace in the world. We really need to have certainty in our daily lives across continents, because that chaotic situation parang may aftershocks, no? Tayo yung nagso-shoulder ng aftershocks. Nandoon ng lindol, pero yung aftershocks nararamdaman natin dito. That's why I want you to really behave and practice. I hope this Monday, practice yung paggasta, disiplinadong paggasta. Pabayin nyo ang area. Mag-ikit, tapos mag-area lang kung kinakailangan. No? And mag-iingat kayo. It's a good day to start. We're back up to Thursday again. Thursday lang tayo this week. So, makakasama ninyo ang inyong pamilya. Importanteng magkaroon kayo ng sapat, mahaba, makabuluhang panahon sa inyong mahal sa buhay. And I'm happy today, may isang dumagoso na naman na lumabas sa mundong ibabaw. Tatay na naman. Gatas, diaper. Ikaw, Jess, kailan? Parang lolo ko na nga eh. So, mag-ingat kayo. I love you. Pagpalain nawa kayo ng Pong May Kapal. Maraming salamat. Manila, God first. Thank you.